Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Dave from DLLM Cactus. Today I have an unboxing video, kind of a special one to me because of where it's from. These plants are going to be my first from Mesa Garden. I've started thousands of seeds. I'd say 90% of them come from Mesa. This is the first time that I'm ordering plants. For those of you that are not familiar with Mesa Garden, there's like a 3-part series that Hunter from Cactus Quest did on them on YouTube. And during COVID, I swear I must have watched those at least 10 to 15 times through all of them. It kind of resonated with me when he said, like, meet the wizard that is responsible for millions of seeds. And I was just like, man, I want to order seeds from a wizard. So that one resonated. I love getting seeds from them. This is the first time I get plants. And if I can put some plants in the greenhouse that Aaron and Tara started and I can continue it on, I love growing. So excited, but let's get it started. These are neat little labels here. Perfect. I did grab a couple of seeds. Some Copia Poa Echinoides cuprietta. I already grew one of those and it's just really cool. Another Echinoides. Oh, thank you for the gift. Some more Lithop seeds there. All right, we'll start with the first one here. This one's gonna be Cactus and Fractiosos. Super cool. Really neat. Let's look at the first one. This one is going to be Arroya Acalana with orange pink flowers. I was excited for that one. Can't wait to see that one flower. Got that loamy soil, you kind of see in the videos. Ooh, that one's pretty. Got a little guys coming off the sides. Oh, that's gonna be awesome. This is super cool looking. It's my first in that category. This one is going to be Cactus Alexandrii Geometricus. Just trying to save the labels so I can just put those right on the pots. Oh, that's awesome. That is super cool. Row. This one is going to be Matacana tuberculata. Ooh. That's super cool. It's got little ones coming off the edge there too. That's super cool. Take this one. Tephro Cactus Alexandri. Ooh, this one's got some spikes. It's got me. Ooh, it's got spikes. Wow, so this one's big, thicker. Wow. That is awesome. Perfect. This one is going to be Tephro Cactus Molinensis. There we go. It's like that Christmas package that won't open. This one's wrapped well. Oh, that's super cool. I don't know if I'm gonna get hit with those spines. But yeah, it's even got little growth coming off the top there too. Awesome. And the last one here. This is the Astrophytum ornatum. Growing some of these from seeds, but it's cool to get a bigger plant that I can kind of get going. There we go. Super cool. Astrophytum ornatum. Here's the plants all together here. I'm definitely going to get these potted up. It's about 108 today, I believe, and 109 tomorrow. So want to get them potted up, put them out in the morning in the greenhouse for a few hours and kind of start to get them acclimated. I know it's hot down there in New Mexico, but yeah, it's kind of a little heat wave coming through for us. So get them potted up real quick. Here's what they're gonna look like. Here they are all potted up. And then those seeds that I got, the Copiapoa echinoids, the reason I got them is because of this little guy. You can kind of see the nice little black spines on the top. It's called Echinoids cupretta. That's the only one that I got to grow from a pack of 10 last year, and that's about, I think, 15 months old right there. So giving a little redo. That's why I got the 10 more seeds. I want to get a couple of those going as well, because I love how they look as a seedling. But thanks again for stopping in and watching the video with me. We'll see you on the next one.